Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can move forward with your keeper on FIFA 23. Okay, so first let's get rid of that ball. Yeah, just like that, and you have to click and hold triangle and take a look. After a few moments our keeper will be near Sergio Busquets and he is still running. When you release, he will be back to the goal. So I'm gonna click and hold one more time and he is still running right now into the Ousmane Dembélé. When we have the ball, he will be back to the goal. So yeah, so one more time, all you have to do is just click and hold the triangle and he will be moving out of the goal, and of course when your opponent have ball. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.